Hi everyone, welcome to PayFunds, your trusted crypto wallet. Today's video is about restoring a backup of your wallet. We will show you step by step how to restore your previous backup so you can get all your wallet data, contacts, and settings back safely. Before starting, make sure your PayFunds app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Once updated, open your app and go to your settings screen. Here, you will find the Backup Manager option. Tap on it, and you will see two main options: Restore Backup and Create New Backup. Today, we are focusing on Restore Backup. Tap on Restore Backup. Now, locate the backup file you previously created. This could be in the folder you saved it to on your device, such as local storage, USB drive, or extra smartphone storage. Select your backup file by tapping on it. Next, the app will ask for the password you set when creating the backup. Enter your password carefully and tap Confirm. Once the password is accepted, tap Import to restore your wallet. The app will process the backup and restore all your wallet data, including all addresses, contacts, and settings. A warning will appear saying that restoring the backup will overwrite your current wallet and contacts. Confirm and proceed to replace them. Once done, your wallet will open and your backup will be fully restored. Everything will be just as it was when you created the backup. And that's it for today's tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.